Protection of national security is a paramount aim of the state. Thousands of professionals protect the peace of the citizens of the country around the clock, on land, in water, and in air. The most sophisticated technologies help them. Scientific progress in the area of national security doesn't stand still. New weapons, technical means emerge every day. One can see all the advanced novelties at the international exhibition INTERPOLITEX once a year. This year, INTERPOLITEX exhibition celebrated a kind of majority age. It was carried out for the 18th time already. Traditionally, all Russian Exhibition Center became an exposition ground. A record number of participants gathered in a huge Pavilion 75 these days. Every year, we show something new, innovative. We also communicate with colleagues on the further work and improvement of our equipment. We are for the first time at this exhibition, and we're grateful to the organizers for the invitation. For us, it's very important to get acquainted with the Russian partners in order to establish cooperation. For us, these exhibitions are extremely important because heads of different regions, government agencies, and ministries gather at these exhibitions. Interested people of niche specialization come here in search of their product. INTERPOLITEX-2014 includes several thematic areas: police and military equipment, means of border protection, unmanned vehicle systems, security technologies and systems. We carry out a deep analysis of equipment represented at the exhibition. And if something really suits us for our activity, we ask the enterprises to give us their products for approbation. We study them, look at them, conduct comparative tests with other products that are already in arsenal or supplied, and we choose the best. It is a development prototype of military off-road vehicle Typhoon. The armor monster, weighing almost 10 tons, accelerates to 105 km/h on a cross-country terrain and overcome water barriers up to 2 meters deep. Typhoon is developed by designers of Kamaz Group on request of Ministry of Defense. The difference of this specimen is that it provides the maximum class 6A protection according to STANAG. It includes 7.62 mm and 12.7 bullets from the minimum distance. Mine protection of this car provides survival of the crew, the driver and the senior of the car in case of undermining of trotyl weighing 8 kilograms under wheel and under the bottom. And it's a mobile training complex, a kind of school on wheels. Outside is a usual truck with a van body, but inside it's a class of interactive training with a driving simulator. It is used for practicing skills of driving heavy trucks. Here we have a complete imitation of all controls. Controls, dashboard, everything is the same as in a real Kamaz. Now we start the car, we have chosen a country road, though it's possible to establish a mountain road, a city, impassability of roads here. Here it's necessary to obey traffic regulation, otherwise the system will detect all my mistakes and will give negative points. Innovativeness and import substitution are the main theme of INTERPOLITEX 2014. It is not a secret that until recently, high-tech developments of domestic producers seldom did without foreign component parts. This year, the situation has changed. The most of the exhibits are completely Russian products, as for example the system of intelligent video surveillance created by a consortium Integra-S. Such system is already used in rail transport facilities, factories, marine and inland water transport, hydroelectric complexes and sports facilities. The entire system works with reference to location data, video image of moving people and systems. It's a virtual 3D the world with the objective reality. Take, let's say, traffic control. We create smart crossroads. And the system detects 16 points of violation of traffic rules. If there was an accident, it's enough for an inspector to enter time and location data of a place where it occurred, and the system will show you what was happening at the time and show the video card. Video surveillance systems became ingrained in our everyday lives. Even personal video recorders emerged. This device is called Dozor. the development of the company ByteRK, individual means of a police officer. The device is attached on clothes and within 8 hours continuously records all the events. The important thing is that even if the device is lost, the information in any case cannot be transferred to anybody, because the data will be ciphered. Standard means of Windows Media cannot read them, and they cannot be converted without special software. The most interesting part of the exhibition is, of course, demonstration. It does not take place in pavilion. It's 60 kilometers from Moscow on testing area. Shots, a roar of high-power engines have been heard here since morning. Armored vehicles showed their capabilities on routes of testing area, overcoming obstacles. Special tactical demonstration of the Ministry of Internal Affairs of Russia with participation of soldiers of Special Forces Rys, Zubr, Grom, Peresvet and Vitis have taken place here. One of the most dangerous acts of the program is demonstration of standalone fire extinguishing unit Straznik in operation. This product is very compact, convenient, and at the same time enables not only to extinguish the uniform, but also to extinguish the uniforms of the fellow soldiers. Can be operated in conditions from -50 to +60 degrees. And this is Russian drag bike Gran. During military conflicts, the important role is played by the mobility of military formation. The outcome of the entire operation quite often depends on how quickly they can change this position. Such drag bike will be helpful in solving the problem. All of its characteristics were created for operation in harsh conditions. Its speed reaches about 110 km per hour. Range of a course can be up to 220 km. Its plus is that it's rather noiseless. More than 3,000 people came to see the performance. It's a really unforgettable show, especially for young spectators. I liked most of all when special operations soldiers captured terrorists. I liked parachutists, helicopters, tanks, equipment. INTERPOLITEX exhibition is not only demonstrations and the exposition, it's also a large business forum. At round-table discussions and workshops, participants exchange experience, establish business and industrial contacts. Within the framework of the exhibition, the winners of competition National Security are rewarded annually. It's worth considering that this year INTERPOLITEX 2014 was held in the conditions of uneasy foreign policy situation. And today, the main task is to join efforts of law enforcement bodies, scientific and technical potential, and financial investments for struggle with crime. The world, unfortunately, does not become safe. The criminality masters new, more sophisticated means of technical progress. The police and all law enforcement systems of the state should always be a step ahead, not only introduce and master outstripping developments and innovative means, but should also predict what kind of technological problems we will face tomorrow. Russia is a country with the most extended boundary line in the world, almost 70,000 kilometers in various climate zones and environmental conditions. The frontier troops are armed with modern, small arms, fighting vehicles, aircraft and special equipment. It's an optical complex of radar tracking. It automatically keeps track of objects moving on water or land, helping frontier guards to detect possible frontier intruders at a distance. Moreover, for this all-seeing eye, there are neither weather limitations nor time or day limitations. The radar tracking module sees both pedestrians and a vehicle, whether light motor vehicle or heavy vehicle. It detects pedestrians at a distance of up to 5 kilometers. A car is detected at a distance of up to 8 kilometers. A heavy vehicle is detected at a distance of about 12 kilometers. Shipbuilders from Yaroslavl, the company Rybinskaya Verf, this year has presented two of its developments at the exhibition. It's a motorboat BK-10. It has already proved itself during the Sochi Olympic Games. Coastal patrol was conducted on it round the clock. The second exhibit, a boat Leader 11, is unique in its self-sustainability. Here, a motorboat is presented, and on its right there is a remote control. It can solve problems with crew on board, and during the period of threat or in a threat situation, the crew can come ashore and the boat will solve the same problems independently from the remote control. Unmanned aircraft systems are confidently winning the sky. They come to replace habitual aircraft and helicopters in a large variety of activities. In agriculture, oil and gas industry, state security sector. This device can fly 8 hours for one flight at the speed of 100 kilometers per hour. It is almost 800 kilometers. It has software built in it which automatically reveals if there is a leakage or oil spill, any emergency situation. It analyzes itself and can warn the operator at once. INTERPOLITEX was awarded the status of the international exhibition at the moment of creation. This exhibition invariably causes interest of foreign manufacturers. Many of them have already become regular exhibitors of the forum. The Israeli company Cellbrite has come to Moscow for the 4th time. This year they have presented a complex for carrying out criminalistics experts' examination of digital mobile devices. This complex is designed for investigation of cybercrime. With its help, it's possible to extract the data from any devices and gadgets, mobile phones, smartphones, tablets, GPS navigators, computers. Even in the event that this data has been removed from the carrier, the software allows to restore this information. The complex can work with 14,000 models of different devices. This technology can be applied anywhere, and of course for fighting against crime. Exhibition INTERPOLITEX 2014 once again has confirmed its status of the largest Russian business and exposition forum in area of national security. More than 20,000 people visited the exhibition in 3 days. Not less than 30% of visitors are top managers and general managers, department managers, and divisions making decisions on purchase of special equipment. At INTERPOLITEX, there are real professionals in their field from every corner of the globe. The impressions are great. Our delegation from the Ministry of Defense of Indonesia is attending this exhibition for the first time. We are interested in cybersecurity systems, and at this exhibition we have already established contacts with experts in this area. We hope for cooperation. This exhibition is one of few exhibitions in our country where there is a possibility to meet potential customers who need the equipment for professional use. For us, participation in this exhibition is a possibility to find new clients, as well as to show the new development. For us, this exhibition, this forum is, as a matter of fact, an online dialogue with our customers, an attempt to understand what needs to be upgraded in our equipment. This exhibition allows to show our development, our advance. Besides, in the conditions of import substitution, I consider it to be especially important. The exhibition is useful with regard to the promotion of our business and our product, as well as market research. Accordingly, here we get acquainted with new potential partners. We show our novelties, our products. We still look at worldwide trends to keep up to date. INTERPOLITEX is special for us because those users who apply our equipment, the Ministry of Internal Affairs, the Ministry of Emergency Situations, Forest Protection, and others, are a possibility, firstly, of sharing experience. Secondly, they see our latest novelties and our latest developments. The Russian market is very important for us. We see the interest in our product. In addition, we are very proud that we participate in this exhibition.